Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Okay, I am again here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. So many topics we have done. So today we are doing new topic. Okay, so what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is ascending and descending order. What is our today's topic? Ascending and descending order. So two topics are there. Ascending is one topic and another topic is descending. Okay, so we will do today only one topic, that is ascending order, but the main heading is ascending and descending order up to 1 to 50, up to number 1 to 50. Okay, so all of you open your notebook. First I will explain you and then you write. So when I tell you to write, at that time you copy from the board, otherwise you just listen what I am explaining you. Okay, I will tell you to write, at that time you start writing. Okay, so till then you only fold your hands and sit straight. So first write the heading, today's heading. So I hope all of you have opened your notebook. Have you opened it? Okay, so what is the first thing, what you are doing first, what you are writing first thing in your notebook? The date. So write today's date here. Write today's date here. What is the date today? That you have to write here. Okay, and on the top of your notebook write today's heading. What is the heading that we are doing today is ascending. So write ascending, ASCENDING. Again I am writing ASCENDING. Ascending and descending, DESCENDING. Ascending and descending order, and inside bracket you have to write 1 to 50. This is our main heading. Okay, this is our today's main heading, ascending and descending order from number 1 to 50. Ascending and descending order, and inside the bracket what do you have to write? 1 to 50. So first of all you copy this heading. From the board. Ascending and descending order 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Write the heading. Ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order 1 to 50. So write this heading and write the heading in good handwriting. So first I will explain you. So now don't put your pencils down. Now put your pencils down. Okay, first I will explain you. Now no need to write anything. You just fold your hands like this and sit. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to just watch here what I am explaining you. Okay, so just now no need to write anything. अभी लिखना नहीं है. First I will explain you. पहले मैं आपको explain करूँगी. अभी आपको सुनना है और उसके बाद आपको करना है. Okay, so the topic that we are doing today is ascending order. अभी लिखना नहीं है. Ascending order. How many of you know what is ascending? What is the meaning of ascending? What is ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending? Increasing order. You know what is increasing? What is the meaning of increasing? UKG में किया है आपने? Ascending order. Ascending order को increasing order भी बोलते हैं. Have you done this question in UKG class? Yes or no? Okay. So what is the meaning of ascending? Ascending or increasing. So ascending order means arranging number. in ascending order also and in descending order also we arrange the number in some order. हम numbers को arrange करते हैं किसी order में. Okay, so what order it should be? किस order में arrange करता है? That is depend on ascending and descending. Okay, that is depending on ascending and descending. So our first topic is ascending order. So what is the meaning of ascending? Arranging number. Arranging number or arrangement of number, मतलब number को arrange करना, number को जमाना. Okay, arranging numbers from smaller number to the bigger number. Arranging number from smaller to biggest. छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को जमाना. सबसे पहले कंपेयर करेंगे छोटा नंबर, देन बड़ा आखिरी में सबसे बड़ा. सो अरेंजिंग द नंबर फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू द बिगेस्ट. ओके, अरेंजिंग द नंबर फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू द बिगेस्ट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. समझ में आ रहा है? छोटे नंबर से छोटे से बड़े नंबर में को अरेंज करना, छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर में अरेंज करना होता है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Okay, the arranging of number from smallest to the biggest is known as ascending order. Okay, समझ में आया? First take one example. Suppose I am writing here. You don't write just now. You just listen what I am explaining you. So I am writing here some numbers. Suppose 12, 14, 9, and suppose 6. These are the numbers I have written here. Okay, these are the numbers I have written here. So what is our ascending order? Ascending order is to arrange number from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest. So इसमें चारों नंबर में से which number is the smallest number? कौन सा सबसे छोटा है? 12, 14, 9 and 6. Which is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number. So first write 6. And put a small cross here that we have written 6. Now next smallest number. ये तो हट गया. Now how many numbers are remaining? 3 numbers are remaining. 12, 14 and 9. These 3 numbers are remaining. Now find out the smallest number among these 3 numbers. The smallest number is 9. So the 9 will come. So put a small cross here. Now how many numbers are remaining? 2 numbers are remaining and those 2 numbers are 12 and 14. 12 and 14. So which is smaller number? 12 and 14. 12 is smaller. Then the 12 will come and at last which number will come? 14. So we have arranged this 12, 14, 9 and 6 in ascending order from smaller number to the bigger number. 6, 9, 12 and 14. 6, then 6 से बड़ा is 9, then 9 से बड़ा is 12, then 12 से बड़ा is 14. That means we have arranged a number from smaller to bigger. This is ascending order. Okay, so now start writing with me. First we will write the definition. Okay, what we are writing first is the definition of ascending order. So all of you have written the heading. Okay, all of you have written the main heading, ascending and descending order up to 1 to 50. Now write here ascending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. O-R-D-E-R. Ascending order. And if you have scale, you just underline like this. Ascending order. Okay, write ascending order. So first write the spelling, the arrangement of numbers. Start writing from the next line, from the next box. The arrangement what is the meaning of arrangement? जमाना. ओके, किसी भी चीज को अरेंज करना मत मीन्स सिस्टमैटिक वे में जमाना. सो द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स NUMBERS. the arrangement of numbers from smallest to largest, from smallest to largest is called ascending order. ASCENDING, ascending order. And underline these. This you have to underline. The arrangement of numbers from smallest to largest. Smallest to largest means, that means in ascending order we arrange the number from smallest number to the largest number. Okay, write this definition. Copy this fast. Copy this definition from the board. The arrangement of numbers from smallest to largest is called ascending order. So first, have you written this heading? ये heading लिखना है सभी को पहले, और उसके बाद ये definition लिखना है. So write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Okay, I hope all of you have written. Now we will write one example also. Okay, now we will write one example also. So write EX for example. Write EX for example. Now write the numbers. Write the numbers with me. Write 1, 5, 15. Then put a comma. Write 1, 5, 15. Then write 1, 1, 11, then put a comma, then write 2, 1, 21, then put a comma, then write here 8. Okay, so how many numbers we have written here? We have written 4 numbers. And what are these numbers? 15, 11, 21 and 18. What are the numbers? We have written 15, 11, 21 and 8. These are the numbers that we have written. Okay. Now what is the next step? What we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. In ascending order means we have to arrange the number from smallest to largest. Okay. We have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Now find out which is the smallest number among these 4 numbers. Among these 4 number 15, 11, 21 and 8. Which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 8. So first we will write 8. So write here 8 and put a comma. So 8 we have written. Now how many numbers are left? 15, 11 and 21. 15, 11 and 21. Now which is the smallest number between 15, 11 and 21? 11 is the smallest number. So now write 11. This we have written, this we have written. Now how many numbers are left? 15 and 21. These two numbers are left. Now which is the smallest number? 15. 15. Now which number remains? Only 21. So at last write the number 21. Okay. At last write the number 21. So in this way we arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. Okay. So write this example also. Write this example from the board. Okay, so let's start the questions that are given in the book. Okay, so I hope all of you have written. If you have not written, आप क्या करेंगे, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप या तो फिर वीडियो को पॉज करके भी लिख सकते हैं कि जिसने नहीं लिखा है आप वीडियो को पॉज करें, वहीं स्टॉप करें और लिख सकते हैं, या तो फिर आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके और बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, so first write the question. Write the question. Write the question. Arrange. Write the question. Arrange. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, this is the question. So first you write the question from the board. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so this is the main question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. This is the question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. So write write the first question. Write the first question. A. Write A. So the numbers are 4 3 43, 3 2 32 and 2 1 21. These are the question. These are the numbers. These are the numbers that you have to arrange in ascending order. Okay. What are the numbers? 43, 32 and 21. We have to arrange these three numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So write here answer. Okay. So first identify the smallest number. What is the smallest number between 43, 32 and 21? The smallest number is 21. The smallest number is 21. So first write 2 1 21. Then put a comma. Then again. So no need to put comma. You are right. What you will do? You will leave one box. Write 43, then leave one box, then write 32. In this way, you have to do that. You leave one box. Okay. So I am writing clear. You also write in this way. So the first number is 43. Second number is 32. And the third number is 21. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So first write here answer. Okay. A and S. So which is the smallest number? 21 is the smallest number. So write here 2 1 21. 2 1 21. Now the another smallest number is this we have written. Now two numbers are remaining, 43 and 32. So which number is smaller between 43 and 32? 32. So write here 32. The last number. Which number left? 43 is the last number that left. So in the last column write 43, 43. So copy this question. Copy this question. Now the next question, B. The next question is B. Leave one box and write the next question. Again 3 numbers are given. The 3 numbers are 3 5 35, 1 9 19 and 2 3 23. What are the 3 numbers given? 3 5 35, 1 9 19 and 2 3 23. So again what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. That means from smaller number to the bigger number. So identify the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number among 35, 19 and 23? कौन सा है सबसे छोटा? 19. So write here 19. Write the 19 in the first box. Now this 19 we have written. Now the two numbers are 35 and 23. 35 and 23. So which is the smallest number? 23. So write here 2 3 23. Okay. The last number left is 3 5 35. 3 5 35. So in this way we arrange numbers from ascending to descending, from smaller number to the bigger number. Now the next question, C. Here I am writing. If you have space in your notebook, you continue your work from the same page. Okay. If you don't have space, then you also take new page. But if you have space, you write from the same page. Okay, the next question, what are the numbers given? 4, 5, 45, 5, 0, 50 and 2, 1, 21. So, let's arrange these numbers also in ascending order. Okay. Now the smallest number between the three numbers, which is the smallest number between 45, 50 and 21? The smallest number is 21. So write here 2, 1, 21. Now the two numbers are 45 and 50. So which is the smallest number? 45. So here you write 4, 5, 45. And the last number left is 50, 50. 50, 50. In this way, we arrange number from smaller to the bigger. So, copy the question. Copy the question. Now, the next question, D. So the numbers are 3, 8, 38, 1, 8, 18 and 4, 8, 48. Okay, so right answer A and S. Now identify the smaller number. Which is the smaller number between 38, 18 and 48? The smaller number is 18. So in this box, first box, write 18. Now identify next smaller number between 38 and 48. Which is the smaller number? 38. So in this box, write 38, 38. And the last number left is 48, 48, 48. I hope all the students are writing, all are copying from the board. बता रहे हैं ना सभी? Okay. Now the next question is E. Right answer. Okay. Now what are the numbers that are given? The numbers are 3, 6, 36. Then the next number is 9. And the last number is 1, 9, 19. Okay, what are the numbers? The numbers are 36, 9 and 19. Okay, so first identify the smallest number. Which is the smallest number among 36, 9 and 19? 9. Very good. So write here 9. Okay, write here 9. Now identify the next smaller number between 36 and 19. So next number will be 9, 10 and last which number left? 3, 6, 36 is the last number. Okay. of you have written this. So I am rubbing. Okay. Now the last question, F. I am writing this side, and here I am writing its answer, ANS answer. So what is the numbers? The numbers are 4, 5, 45, 4, 5. The numbers are